My name's Rebecca Brown. I am 46 years old, almost 47, so I'm a mature age student, and I come from a small town, Chinchilla, which is 4 hours west of Brisbane. The pathology component came about because of a person that I knew had done their Diploma of Emergency Health Services, and they were looking at doing more study, and they said, hey, APC's got a pathology course, would I be interested? And because the career that I'm going into is nursing, and I would like to do rural nursing, then pathology, being able to collect bloods and that would be very beneficial. So rather than just do like a crash course, I've decided to actually do the full Certificate 3 in Pathology Collection. I've got 3 children, husband, small town, life's good but very busy. I'm actually a small business owner, so it is possible to work full-time and definitely study a Certificate 3 in Pathology through APC. Also having the flexibility with APC, you can study when you like to, what time, night or day, and that's really beneficial. Being able to do it self-paced as well, so that was really good. Help from the teachers, trainers, that's really stood out. And specifically the cohort of students that I'm with, like it's like a little family. I think the course is really good catering for the different type of learners. So like, you know, there's visual and audio and hands-on, which is really good, really good. The support from the trainers is just excellent. And the facilities, like you come in and you see what they've got for the facilities and you just go, yeah, this is a good place, you know, to be. And I think because they're keeping up with industry standards as well, and that's good to know that when I go out, I'll be, like, everything changes, but I'm current with what's current at the moment in the training, and